Welcome back to the show.
What we're doing.
This is on Debit and LunarDawn and Ratchet and Clank. Number one, baby. Number one. The plan.
I get it.
You get it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. You know my references.
Oh no. Bad person. Oh my goodness, there's so many of these guys. Like, why? I mean, before the turret was so slow. And this time it's like all over the place. It's really slippery. Oh my goodness. This is unnecessary. Alright, we'll try that again. Shoot, shoot. Bullets come up and even touching me?
In the big ship?
Yeah.
I don't think so. But the missiles from the little guys certainly are. And before they used to show up on that little mini map of mine. No, they're not. Start open, I can kill it before he killed me. At least my turret didn't overheat. I didn't want to do that. Oh no, so many of them.
Seriously, it would die in a couple of hits if it just let me. Ah. Alright. I'm gonna go back.
He's similar underneath the
You are
turret.
about to embark on a very dangerous mission. We will be launching a heavily armed surprise attack from our new moon base against a completely unarmed planet. Actually, that doesn't sound too dangerous. Nevertheless, your orders are simple. Destroy anything that moves. Steal the power generators from Gorda City. Then destroy anything that doesn't move. Oh, and don't forget, have fun.
We
Hey,
must get to the moon base and stop Drek.
but only
we
because
have
you
to get
say
to the
so.
moon base to find Quark. If Drek is there, Quark is probably with him.
But Drek is going to destroy that city. We must get to the base.
That's what I said.
No, that is what I said.
Fine.
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 Best of friends.
The best. Alright, there should be something. Maybe just jump down? Like so. Whoop. Ta-da!
Let's shortcut.
I think that is a good place
Hi there,
for
Fuzzball.
us to stop for the night.
Let's see.
Yeah. As soon as I buy this. And, so next time we're gonna go check out the new planet. And, probably, shoot more guns and kill more guys.
Always fun times.
Always fun times. So thanks for joining us on Surprisingly Geeky.
And we'll see you guys
See you guys next time.
next time. Bye.
Bye.